So we get the car up on ramps, ready for us to now start disconnecting all of the O2 sensors and getting the brackets out of the way, ready for us to then get to the area where we can undo the bolts to the flywheel through that little hole. And eventually we get the gearbox out of the engine. Very heavy. Took me and my son to get it down and moved out. Yep, that was hard work. And here's the gearbox with the torque converter inside. So now we turn our attention to the disc, the starter motor disc, whatever you call that. Undo the bolts. There's the original door. You can see the leaking that's happened over it and the condition of it. The idea is to prise that off, and once we've done that we can clean down the edges, put a little bit of card at the bottom to make sure no debris falls into the engine. It would bend inwards so the rubbish would come out. So we've cleaned up those edges. Here's the part number of the new seal, and with the new door on and the tool used to push the seal in place, there we have it. And you'll notice there's about a 1mm lip on the inside, which is exactly how Mercedes to do this. We obviously use the Mercedes Loctite glue to put the door back on. So the starter motor wheel goes back on, torqued up to spec, and it's time to put the gearbox back in. That was a bit of a faff because it is so heavy.